Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing how we can derive the equation of a waveform by just looking at it. So here we have this signal which is x of t, of which we need to find out the equation. The first thing you have to do is you have to identify at each point the signal looks like which of the basic signals which we have seen. So whether it is a ramp or a unit impulse or a unit step signal. So in this signal, we can see that it begins from -2 and ends at +2. So from -2 to 0, we can see that the shape of the signal is like a step signal. And similarly from 0 to 2 also, the shape of the signal is a step signal. But when you consider from -2 to 0, the amplitude of the signal is -2, whereas for a unit step signal, the amplitude is +1 and the signal begins from 0. So what they have done here is we have to change the shift of the signal. That is, it doesn't have to start from 0, but it should start from -2. And along with that, the amplitude of the signal should change from 1 to -2. So for shifting, we use this kind of an expression. So x of t minus t naught. So here, when we have shifted the unit step signal which begins from 0, so unit step signal is something like this. Is equal to u of t is something like this, which begins from 0 and has amplitude 1 continuously. So to get this signal, what we'll have to do is shift the unit step signal by 2 to the left. So always shifting to the left means advance. So this will become plus. So it will be x of or u of t plus by how much? By 2. So u of t plus 2, and we change the amplitude of the signal by -2. So because it's not 1 and -2, so multiplying this signal by -2 will give us this. So the resultant signal will be a unit step starting from -2 but having amplitude of 2, the negative half. So this will be the signal. This is 2u of t plus 2. So we got the function for the first half. Now for this part of the signal, this looks like the unit step, but the amplitude is 2. So it is as good as 2u of t. So let's try adding this to 2u of t. So if we add, so let's draw the signals. So -2 into u of t plus 2 will be this signal. -2u of t plus 2, and 2u of t will be the unit step with amplitude 2. Now, if we try to add these two signals, at -2, for the first signal, the amplitude is -2, and for the second signal, the amplitude is 0. So, -2 plus 0 will give us -2. Similarly, at -1, the amplitude is -2. So, again, -2 plus 0 will give us -2. And at 0, it is -2 plus 2, because the amplitude is +2 for the second signal at 0. So -2 plus 2, which is 0, and at 1 the amplitude is -2 for the first signal and +2 for the second signal. So again it will be a 0, and similarly at 2 the amplitude will be +2 and -2 and +2, so it will be again 0. So the resultant signal which we will get is a signal starting from -2 and which becomes 0 continuously. But we want a unit step kind of signal till 2 with amplitude 2, but that is not what we are getting. So what we have to do is increase the amplitude by +2. So how we can do that is by increasing the amplitude of either this or the second signal by 2. But if we increase the amplitude of the first signal by 2, it will not be the standard signal. So in order to keep it as the standard signal with the standard operations performed on them, we will try to increase the amplitude of the second signal by 2. So this would become 4 into u of t. This should be with amplitude 4. Now if we try to perform the same operation, that is u -2u of t plus 2 plus 4u of t, it will be -2 amplitude and 0 amplitude at -2. So -2 plus 0 is -2. At -1 again the amplitude is -2 and 0 for the second signal, so -2. At 0 for the first signal it's -2 and for the second signal it is 4. So -2 plus 4 is +2. So the signal will be here. For at 1, for the first signal the amplitude is -2 and for the second signal the amplitude is +4. So -2 plus 4 will give us 2. At 2 the amplitude is again -2 and the amplitude is +4. So -2 plus 4 is 2. Now at 3, the amplitude is again -2 and +4. So again it's going to be 2. But we don't want the signal to have an amplitude of 2 at 3 also, because the amplitude is becoming 0 in the original signal. So what we can do is again decrease the amplitude at 2. So how can we do that? Because this ending is a step ending. If it was some slant, then we'll use a ramp. But here it is a step ending, so we'll use another step signal to decrease the amplitude. Now we can see that if we continue with the equation which we are following, this will be 2 continuously. Now to decrease this by 2, we'll use a unit step but with amplitude 2 so that it gets nullified to 0. So subtracting 2u of t but shifted by 2 to the right. So that will be 2u of t minus 2, which is delay. So if we subtract that from this original signal, so the amplitude will be 2 for this signal here, and for 2u of t minus 2, which is this, the amplitude is again 2. So 2 minus 2 will give us 0. At 3 again the amplitude is 2. So 2 minus 2 will give us 0. And at 4 also the amplitude is 2. So 2 minus 2 will give us 0 and so on. So after this, the signal gets nullified and it ends at 2. So from this we got the equation. So what will it be? The first signal which we used was minus 2 u of t plus 2. Then we added it to 4u of t, and then we subtracted 2u of t minus 2 from it to get the final equation, which gave us this waveform, which is x of t.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.